What is RT certification levels in NDT? Have you ever wondered how radiography testing professionals inspect welds and pipelines using X-rays and gamma rays? And why some RT technicians earn much higher salaries than others? The secret is RT certification levels in NDT. In this video, you'll learn what RT certification means, different RT levels, responsibilities of each level, and which level is best for your career growth, so watch till the end. What is RT in NDT? RT stands for Radiographic Testing. It is an NDT method used to detect internal defects inside welds, castings, pipes, and pressure vessels using X-rays or gamma rays. RT helps industries inspect materials without damaging them. Industries using RT include oil and gas, power plants, refineries, aerospace, construction, manufacturing. But to perform RT professionally, technicians need certification. What is RT certification? RT certification proves that a person is trained and qualified to perform radiographic testing safely and correctly. These certifications are generally based on international standards like ASNT, ISO, PCNC, SWIP. RT certifications are divided into different levels. Let's understand them one by one. RT Level 1 is the beginner level. A RT Level 1 technician can set up RT equipment, perform radiography under supervision, follow written instructions, process radiographic films, identify basic defects, but Level 1 cannot interpret complex results independently, approve reports, create procedures. This level is best for freshers entering the NDT industry. Second, RT Level 2 is the most demanded certification in industry. A Level 2 technician can perform RT independently, interpret radiographic images, evaluate defects, prepare test reports, guide Level 1 technicians. Common defects identified by RT Level 2, porosity, slag inclusion, lack of fusion, cracks. Most industrial RT jobs require Level 2 certification. This level also offers better salary and international job opportunities. Third certification, RT. Level 3 is the highest certification level. A Level 3 professional can develop RT procedures, approve techniques, train and certify technicians, manage NDT quality systems, solve complex inspection problems. Level 3 experts usually work as NDT consultants, QA/QC managers, inspection engineers, trainers. This level requires strong technical knowledge and years of experience. So conclusion is, these are the RT certification levels in NDT. Level 1 for beginner, Level 2 for professional inspector, Level 3 for expert and supervisor. If you want a successful career in NDT, RT certification can open doors to high-paying jobs worldwide. Start with Level 1, gain experience, and move step-by-step toward Level 3. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which NDT topic you want next. Thanks for watching.